lovies, I just want to come and say some of y'all did quarantine all the way wrong. If you want to know how to do it right, if we have to go back into lockdown, because Corona ain't going nowhere from the looks of it, go ahead, stay tuned. Stock up correctly, okay? We were so focused on the cleaning, we weren't focused on our hygiene. So let's back up, okay? Let's focus on hygiene, toiletries, feminine products that you need to stock up on so you won't have to keep running to the store. Stock up on it now. All right. First and foremost, you want to stock up on your favorite soap. My favorite soap is Olay. I like Olay and I like Dove. For me, when I take a shower, I prefer Dove. I like the body wash and the bar. But if I'm taking a bubble bath, I like the Olay because it just leaves my skin smooth and it doesn't leave grime all over my bathtub. However, whatever you wash up with, treat yourself and don't cheat yourself. Buy at least 3 to 4 bottles of it so you won't have to keep running to the store to go get more, okay? Treat yourself to either two of each kind that you get. That whatever you need. If you have a house full of people, get about 6. Go to Family Dollar or Big Lots and get like 6 because they still have those brands. A little bit cheaper. I'm not sure if they're a little bit more watered down, but go and treat yourself to a lot of soap. Okay? Because one thing for sure and one thing for certain, when you up in there by yourself, I'm sorry, I still want to smell good, y'all. I still want to smell good. Like, I don't want to just be in the house smelling funky all day because I have to stay in the house. No. Let's stop doing that. Let's take care of ourselves, ladies. Let's go ahead, ladies. My lovies. Let's get some soap. Now, number 2, stock up on deodorant. Get like 3. I always try to get like 2 solids and 2 sprays. That should last about a good 3 months, depending on your perspiration. You know, if you're a little bit more funky down there, you might want to invest into more. But let me tell y'all. Let me tell you. Make sure you invest, okay? Don't be around. Nobody wants to be around the house smelling you just because we all locked in the house. No. We don't want to do that. Nope. Number 3. Stock up on Listerine mouthwash, whatever you use. Stock up on mouthwash, toothpaste. See, this is the stuff we forgot. Everybody ran out and got Lysol. They got tissue. They got Clorox wipes. Let me tell y'all something. I'm just gonna let you know something. I'm gonna let you know something. When I went into Target during the quarantine, the aisles of deodorant, soap, all of that, it was everything was there. It was present. So that means y'all cared more about the cleaning products and keeping your house clean than keeping your body clean. I'm just saying, this is what I have seen. This is what I observed. You tell me, like, how do you feel? What did you see missing at the store? It made you confused. Comment down below. What did you see missing at the store? It made you confused. Okay? All right, I'm I'm getting off track. All right, so get you some extra toothpaste, get you some extra mouthwash. Floss, whatever you use, especially floss, because you're eating a little bit more than normal inside your house. Before you was eating outside your house. Now you're eating more inside your house and you're cooking a little bit more. So yeah, you want to get floss. I want to get the floss. All right. I digress. I digress. All right. Now, I don't even know what number I'm on. I think I'm not number 4. Get you some real good body spray. I always go with warm vanilla body spray by Victoria's Secret. And I love that. Right now, Victoria's Secret, y'all, has a sale. It's a semi-annual sale. Go get y'all some stuff. Go get you some stuff. Okay, I got that body spray for like $3 and it's usually like 12 something. I need to go restock on that myself. But don't be slipping, y'all. Y'all gotta smell good during these times. Y'all have to smell good to feel good and look good. You gotta smell good, y'all. Y'all gotta smell good. All right. Go get you some good body spray, even if you go to CVS. But I'm just letting y'all know, like I said, Victoria's Secret got that sale. Go get you some stuff. Panties. Stock up on panties. I'm just keeping it real, okay? Ladies, down here, we need to stock up on those panties. You need those. Y'all, Victoria's Secret, yet again, is having that sale. Go down there, get you some panties, put them in the drawer. It's like, what, 6 for $25 or whatever the case may be. If you don't wear Victoria's Secret, go and get you some stuff from Walmart, some Hanes. Just stock up. And for your kids, please, y'all, for them babies, stock up for them girls, please. Get them some nice panties and stuff. Yo, stock up. Stock up. I'm letting y'all know. Because I'm trying to tell y'all during that COVID, I was confused, baby. I was so confused. Okay, I'm digressing again, but let me get back track. All right, so you want to get some clean panties, some fresh panties, whatever. Also, get you a lot of feminine products. Whatever you use down here, get you some feminine products. I like to get feminine wipes so I could put them in my purse. So if I do have to go out, I don't have to use toilet tissue. Remember, if you're still a woman that gets your cycle, you might want to always have a feminine wipe with you because you just never know. So get all that feminine stuff that you need down here. Get your pads, get your tampon, stock up on that. But as of right now, no matter what, we still need this stuff, y'all. We need this stuff. We need it. So, yeah, get you some stuff from down here. Feminine wipes. I use Summer Eve. A lot of people say don't use it, but I don't have any problems with it. If you have any suggestions of what to get feminine products for down there, go ahead and leave it down below. But I just don't want to digress too much. Get you definitely some stuff for your skincare. I like to do a lot of natural products, but I'm still using Urban Skin RX. I don't know if anybody's seen my review. I didn't like it, but I'm still using it. But I'm not going to stock up on that because it seems like it'll last. Get you definitely some facial skin products. Definitely get you some Neutrogena wipes. So when you're feeling too warm or you're feeling like your face just looks crazy, you can wipe your face off. Get all of that. Y'all stock up on that stuff. Stock up on that stuff. Yeah. Okay. Stock up on some masks. Okay. Y'all. If y'all not washing y'all mask, listen, let me tell y'all something. There should be no reason why we're wearing the same mask every single day. I'm sorry, I just feel so distraught about this. You wearing the same mask. You putting on the same mask every single day. It has makeup on it. Then what's the point of putting on all this makeup and you about to put a mask on? It's just, y'all, come on. Yeah, we got to do better. We got to do better. And I know people sell these cloth masks, but make sure they have a filter in it, y'all. We got to do better. And if you don't wear a mask, that's your choice. I know now it's pro-choice. Before it was pro-choice this. you know, you can have a choice between this or that. And yeah, now it's, would you wear a mask? Should you not wear a mask? Like, listen, I don't know what's out there. I don't know if COVID is real, and you know how we got all these theories and all this other stuff. But let me tell y'all one thing for sure, one thing for certain. Something out there is doing a lot of damage to us. And protect yourself the way you know how. If that's washing hands, whatever. I don't even know what else you're going to do besides wear a mask. But protect yourself, y'all. Stay safe, sane, and sanitized. Protect yourself. Just please, y'all, protect yourselves. Yeah. That's all I got to say about that. Just protect yourself. Now, I'm going to say this. I'm going to put this disclaimer out there one more again. Let me let y'all know. Lysol. Oh, this is for all y'all with y'all beautiful selfies. And listen, I'm tired of the background looking like y'all ain't cleaned up in months. Come on, y'all. Like, clean up your house. You have nothing but time, okay? Clean up your house. Stop spraying Lysol on each pile of clothing, on laundry, each pile of laundry. I think it's going to clean itself up. That's not what happened. That's not what happened. You just spraying Lysol on there and disinfecting it, but that don't mean them clothes is clean, and that's not going to make sure the pile get up off the floor. There's no reason why you take a picture and the next week you take another picture. Yeah, I'm talking about you. In that same pile of clothes. It's on the floor. Y'all, we gotta do better. We gotta do better. So, now, if you have any suggestions, y'all, hair care, make sure y'all get y'all some good shampoo, get you some good conditioner, but just stock up on your hygiene stuff. Like, stock up. Also, get you a spa. Get you like a facial steamer. I'm going to definitely put up a lot of my Amazon things. But I have actually have a video on my Amazon, some of my Amazon finds, but I'm actually going to do an Amazon video in a few minutes, actually. So if you enjoyed this video and you want more content like this, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. Make sure you press that red button or the red word that says subscribe. Click that notification bell and go ahead and comment down below one thing that you see missing at the store and you have no clue why that was missing. So until next time, go ahead, stay safe, sane, and sanitized. Again, remember, faith makes things possible, not easy. Luke 1:37. And as always, love keeps.